Hey guys, you're welcome to my channel, and in today's video I'll be showing you an easy way to peel your beans for your moi-moi and akara using just your hands. So let's get right into the video. For this tutorial, I'll be using a black eye beans. You can use a brown beans or any beans you have. Okay, we'll start by adding water to it. And the secret here is to start washing immediately you add water to it. You don't have to soak it before you start washing, and the skin comes out easily when you start washing immediately. I have tried both methods of soaking before washing and washing immediately, and this is far much easier. I tell you, you can do this within 5 minutes. All I'm doing now is using my hands to wash and squeeze the beans, and the peel comes out just like that. You can use those beans for your moi-moi or akara. I have a video of how to make a delicious and best shaped akara. The link is in the description box, so do check it out after watching this. As you guys can see, the peels are almost off. I'll be adding water to help us separate the peel from the beans. Okay, I'll be pouring the water through a sieve, and because I don't want to waste much water, I'll be recycling the water by using the same water for this process till I'm done with separating the peels from the beans. Peeling beans is very easy by hand. You can actually do this whole process within 5 minutes, though some people do use their food processor or grater for this, but I find this method very easy. I want to say a very big thank you to all my subscribers. You guys are amazing. And for those who are yet to subscribe, what are you still waiting for? Please subscribe. Click on the all notification bell to get notified once I upload a video. So all I've been doing is repeating the same process of pouring water into the beans and passing it through a sieve to separate the peel from the beans. I'll be washing one more time because there are still stubborn ones here. I'll be using water to separate this one more time. So now all the peels are well separated. I'll go ahead to add a clean water to rinse the beans. I'll go ahead to pick the beans that accidentally fell into the sieve. Okay, the next process is very necessary because it's very annoying eating your moi-moi or akara and have particles of sand and stone in it. So what I'll be doing is adding a generous amount of water to it. Sand and stones are heavier than bean seed, so they tend to sink at the bottom of the bowl. Gently scoop the bean seed at the top. That way you won't take any stone because they're at the bottom. As you get to the bottom, you do that more carefully to make sure you don't scoop any stone. Wow, look at that, a very big stone at the bottom. Soak it for at least 1 hour or more, and our beans is ready for grinding for our moi-moi or akara. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in my next video. Bye.